What's going on, YouTubers, gunners, subscribers? Today's an exciting day. We finally bought our seats. We bought a whole bunch of stuff. When I say a whole bunch of stuff, we filled up the truck. We're about to empty it on camera and show you what we have in store for Lefty. I want to give a huge shout out to Tri-State Motorsports. They will be running a coupon code on TSM Race, which is 20% off. I just want to get that out of the way because that's a hell of a deal. And free shipping. TSM Race, they're doing 20% off for Black Friday. Big shout out to Tri-State Motorsports, CLM Motorsports. I picked up the other axle that I needed for Lefty. Big shout out to my boy Miguel in Jersey City. He gave me all 4 windows that I need for the hatch. So this video is going to be fun. Can you try and guess what seats we went with? We got a steering wheel, we got a harness, we got a bunch of stuff. So I can't wait to show you guys. Let's begin the video right about. Boy blessed us with all the windows that we needed. Camera. Imagine I dropped this on camera. Look how much grip I got on it. Oh, that would suck. I'm gonna put everything on the table here. Just keep bringing in parts. Might set up the tripod or I might just hold the camera. I don't know yet. But yeah, we're getting there. Okay, so the first thing that we went ahead. Well, the first thing I want to explain what we picked up. We stopped over in Jersey City to Miguel, and he blessed us with all the windows that we needed. So I've got a quarter one upstairs, but most importantly was the right-hand drive brake booster. This was crucial to the build because I didn't want to put a brake booster delete because this car will be too fast not to have a pedal. And we all know what happens when you remove the brake booster. You completely lose your pedal. The car is super hard to slow down. So I didn't want to risk that. We're putting one of these in there. We're going to clean this guy up right. But right-hand drive brake booster is almost like a unicorn. Thank you so much to Miguel. When we stopped over at Tri-State, one of the first things that we grabbed was the PCI 5-inch side skirts. Now these are the biggest side skirts you can actually put onto an EG. Now, if you're wondering why are we putting on a 5-inch side skirt, well, this car is all-wheel drive, and if we're gonna have it slammed, it doesn't work. It won't work. We'll have a lot of things binding and whatnot. So the car would have to sit pretty high. We also want to run 4 225 5015 Toyo Proxies 888s. So we went with the 5-inch side skirt so the car doesn't look, you know, ridiculously high for no reason. So I can't wait to install these and see how the keepgunning.com sticker looks on there. Probably gonna have to put a white one with a carbon background. From there we picked up some miscellaneous things. We've got some injector clips that we picked up because we bought a brand new harness. You know what, let me just open up the harness box first. So this is an OEM, this is the part number for OEM RSX Type S engine harness. This is the only harness I suggest when you're doing a K-swap. Unless you're getting something like in a custom made type of thing, then okay, then have someone build you one custom made. But I wanted to purchase this out of the box because with this build I'm not taking no shortcuts. So RSX 2002 to 2004 engine harness is the only harness you should be using when it comes to swapping an engine. If you would like to buy a K-tuned one and have a cleaner, different look, so be it. But me, I prefer OEM. Here we go. And I'll tell you one thing. When it comes to like an OEM harness, like, when's the last time you ever heard someone buy a 2001 GSR harness? they don't really exist anymore. So to be able to buy a harness from 2002 is pretty awesome. I mean, look how clean it is. It just looks so much, like, it just looks so worth it. Was it a pretty penny? It was a pretty penny. I paid probably like $5.10 for this. But I'll tell you one thing. When that's all on the... I mean, look at these clips here. And everything is going to belong where it belongs. But, yeah. We have our engine harness. This thing looks so blue. Look how blue that looks. That's crazy. So awesome. What's that? I'll put this away. I'll be right back. So I went ahead and put that harness away. Put it back in the clear bag because I don't want nothing to touch it. I don't want it to get dirty. We'll put that on at the complete end. So we picked up a few more things that are going on to Lefty. And the first thing we got was, the first thing we have here in this clip is the quick latches. Because our front bumper is going to be quick latched. Because we don't have a radiator support, we're going to have floating headlights. So picked up 4 of those. Went ahead and got the oil feed line fittings. We're doing a -3. So this is a 1/8 MPT to a -3. That's our oil line, which is 4 feet. Because remember, we have a side mount. Our turbo's all the way on the other side, and we're getting the oil feed right from the oil pressure switch. Precision return flange into a -10 O-ringed at the bottom. We'll make a nice line. We got the weld-on bong -10, so our return line will be a -10. That's out of the way. We also got the matching gasket to go with it. We don't want no oil leaks. Gunners, subscribers, YouTubers, whoever you are watching right now, you don't even have to like me. If you have an oil leak, you have a big problem. Never ever have an oil leak. Even if it's small and you think you can patch it over with some Honda Bond, you'll be in big trouble later on. Never have an oil leak. Emphasize on catching every oil leak. Mac boost solenoid, 3-port. So we're going to actually not use these fittings. We're going to get some nice push lock fittings on. And it comes with the bracket. So I can't wait to do that whole schematic and figure out which way we're going to make the lines. I picked up 2 quick latches. One is for Project Driver and one is for Lefty. So we are putting a quick latch on both cars. Is this a quick latch? What is this called? Hood pins? Yeah, Arrow Catch hood pins. Arrow Catch hood pins. I'm sorry, I'm excited. K-tuned, thank you so much. 4-bar map sensor. Factory location. And we're all set with that. I think there's a delivery outside. I'll be right back. I think there's a delivery. Okay, I thought that was our 4-piston oil pump kit. Luke sent over some stuff. I know he delivered it. He sent it out, but I don't know who that was for. K-tuned again. Sean, thank you so much, man, for always supporting me. It means a lot, man, what you do for me and my channel. And whenever I can help my my gunners and my followers through Tri-State by using a coupon code for your stuff, I mean, everyone loves K-Tune, man. Thank you again. This is the water, what is this called? This is like the water neck adapter. So remember, we're using a skunk ultra manifold, which is almost like a K21. So we're going to have those 2 ports open on the side of the head. This is what we're going to use to block it off. Awesome, awesome part. Very unique. Not a lot of people make it. I think they're the only ones that make it. Right-hand drive cable. Throttle cable from K-Tune. Yes, they make it right-hand drive. We picked that up. Thank you so much again, Sean. You're the man. And then we went to TSM, and then we got some nice hardware. So on Oren we did polished, or on AK we did polished, I forget. We did the burned ones here. So we've got like fender ones, headlight ones, miscellaneous hood, and then we have our intake manifold TSM bolts. We've got our exhaust manifold TSM bolts, and then we got our titanium, and this is all titanium. This weighs absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. This is our washers. So we got that part. small little miscellaneous things, because the only thing we didn't want to do is head out of the garage. We wanted to have all our parts here, and we're literally just working. Me and Trappy just working day in and day out and getting this car done. So I won't bore you with this clip. We'll finish there, a lot of information, and then when we come right back into this next clip, I'll show you the steering wheel, the hub, the holders, and the seats. So now we have our seat brackets, we have our holders, we have our steering wheel, we have our hub. So just a simple NRG short hub, which we'll be using. Got it in black. Very simple, very clean. Not too extravagant, but it'll get the job done. Now, the steering wheel, guys, don't kill me on the steering wheel. It is a previous steering wheel, but I love it. And with the seats, it matches perfectly. So this is the same steering wheel we used on Oren. Black Sparko suede. I don't want to touch it with my hands, but that's it right there. So that is going on Lefty, the giveaway car. And now, not to bore you, let's go get the seats. So these are Sparko Evo 2s, 8855s. Super light. I'm gonna move this guy here. I'm gonna open up this bag here on the bottom. These things are beautiful. These things are beautiful. So this is the seat that is going into Lefty. I am not a seat connoisseur. I just know that this seat looks badass. And I know the name of it. I'm not a hero. Sparko Evo 2 8855. It's got like this side grip thing here. It feels really tight on the lung here. Good comfort. I think you can swap this out. That's nice. So we have both those. And now check out the steering wheel with it. I got you. That looks money. So whoever wins this car. Also, the harnesses that we got are black Sparko 4-points, and they match the same color as the seat. So we're gonna run them through there, run them through the side here, and the interior should be, about 99% finished. We're just waiting to figure out what we're gonna do for a carpet. But I really like this combo right here, man. Let me see if I can get that to stay. Yeah, look at that. That looks badass. So matching steering wheel, matching seat, and yeah, very, very light seat too. I was completely surprised, but it's very nice. We also just got some regular old Spec D seat brackets. The thing I like about these is that it has the seat belt holders, so we're gonna mount those on there. Try to push this back a little bit so it goes, what does it go, like this? Yeah. We'll mount that or whatnot. Just this way, whatever. Yeah, we spent a lot of money today, but it's worth it because this car is gonna be second to none. This car is going to be probably one of the best Honda builds, I'm not saying it is, one of the best Honda builds that you've seen on YouTube. And we are going to give it away. Yeah, plain and simple. We're going to have a lot of fun doing it. I forgot to mention these came in too. So OEM roof moldings. These are expensive. I don't know the part number. I'll find it. Yeah, who gives a shit? Yeah, OEM roof moldings. We're gonna end up. I think we almost have every molding. So basically, this coming week we're just working. We're just working. So a few shots. Oh, the twin disc. I'm sorry. The twin disc is here. The twin disc is here from Action Clutch. How could I forget? So this twin disc is going on all-wheel drive Lefty. I'm so sorry, Action. You are one of my favorite sponsors. So this is rated to about 1,000 horsepower plus. It's super light. I actually helped design this, me and Albert Marty, and we got this thing down to the T. It's perfectly made. They are running a Black Friday sale. Check them out at actionclutch.com. But thank you so much, Action Clutch, for being involved in this. And yeah. We got a lot of parts. We're just waiting, honestly, for the 4-piston stuff. I mean, once that oil pump kit gets here, we're going to be money. We're going to be ready to go. It's just going to be based on us getting our hands dirty. So I'm going to do a nice job. Me and Trappy are going to do a nice job organizing this stuff and putting it in sections on how we're installing it. But yeah, give me some feedback. How do you like the seats? How do you like the steering wheel? How do you like the cosmetics part? Like, I don't know. Write something. I don't care what it is. Hopefully it's a compliment. It's not a negative thing. But I appreciate you guys, man. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. I love you, man. Keep gunning.